G'day everyone, Tony from RR. Just a quick video to let you know we've got some new stock down at Rutherford. Two machines in particular I wanted to quickly show you. The E17 New Holland mini excavator. This machine actually comes in about 1.9 tonne. It's got expandable tracks to get into narrow areas, obviously punched out at the moment so that ready to operate basically. Pretty good sized control area for an operator for a machine of this size. Pretty good area actually for a larger guy. It's got all your standard functions that you find on a mini excavator, proportional controls, runs a little Kubota engine. We've got auxiliary hydraulics down the dipper arm. They're really well protected rams, as you can see with the ram protection on the front of the machine. Battery isolators, nice easy access for servicing. And that's our little 1.7, you've got a Deadman. Standard machine, dozer blade, ROPS, FOPS canopy, really good little bit of kit. We also got the 2.6 tonne, or the E26, which is actually a 2.9 tonne machine. Rubber tracks again, dozer blade, got house swing, good protection once again on the main boom and dippers. This thing is obviously yet to be set up with a hitch. Same thing again, runs a little Kubota engine. If you want to come around the back, we'll give you a quick look at that. Standard setup again with battery isolator. All your service points are nice and easy to get to. A good machine to operate and service if you need to. Very easy access everywhere and a really robust build too. Got the E26, the E17, E55 and the E60 here currently at Rutherford. So if you'd like to have a look at the New Holland brand, come down and check them out. Thanks.